and leader of majority Kimani Ichung'wah summoned deputy county commissioners in Gilgil and told them to create an infrastructure today to meet chiefs and assistant chiefs who shall be given money for bribery on Sunday night and election night to go and bribe people in every house. So the chiefs and the assistant chiefs will be meeting Kindiki and Ichung'wah today. And Ichung'wah did tell them that they are in charge of IBC. In fact, Ichung'wah went ahead to tell the government officials that they have bought a house in Karen for Mr. Ethokon at 80 million. Ethokon did not have a house in Nairobi, he was living in Turkana. I want to challenge the chairman of IBC to confirm whether he has moved to Karen and how did he purchase this house. He has been in office for a year. His income is not sufficient to buy a house for 80 million. Is it true what Ichung'wah is saying, that the government has bought you a house in Karen so that you can bangle the 2027 general election? And Ichung'wah told the officers that they have instructed Ethokon to make sure that the UDA candidate is announced the winner, even if he loses, even if people die. I want to challenge Ethokon. When did you move to Karen? You came from Turkana. You came to my neighborhood at a house of 80 million. Where did you get the money to buy a house for 80 million? It must be what Ichung'wah is saying, that they bought you the house and you do what they want. Mwangi Kujori has been calling the presiding officers and threatening them, offering them money to bangle the election. And those who refuse, he is intimidating them. That he has instructions to make from William Ruto to make sure the election is won. And he is telling them that if they don't help government, they'll face government wrath. I want to thank the returning officer and all presiding officers in Oleka. So far, they have been very firm. Please don't be intimidated. Kionjore, Ichung'wah, Kindiki, Ruto will take you nowhere. Live up to the oath you have taken to conduct free and fair election in Oleka. I want to say, Bwana Ethokon, do the right thing. Don't try to postpone this election. Make sure there is no